Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm going to walk you all through this fade process. It's going to be a very straightforward video, and we're just going to jump right into it. So the first step is to make your initial bald guideline. Just be careful not to press down too hard. Next, we're going to take the clipper with the lever fully open and make a guideline about 1 inch high. And the reason that you don't want to press down too hard when you're making that initial guideline is because you don't want to make the line too hard to blend out. So to blend this out, we're going to start with the lever fully closed on the clipper, and we're going to slowly open it until we get to the top of that guideline. See, now we're going to gradually open the lever. And you should only have to open it twice to blend out that line completely. But if not, just use trial and error. Next, we have on the 0 guard, and we're going to have the lever fully open, and we're going to make another guideline. And we're also going to go up about another inch. Now we have the lever fully closed. So the steps with this guard are lever fully open. Now we have the lever closed. And then next we're going to open the lever and blend halfway in between the 0 open and 0 closed. So just remember, open, closed, and middle. And as you can see, the blend is slowly starting to come together. This 0 guard is where most of the blending takes place. So now I still have the 0 guard on, but I have the lever fully open. I have the lever fully open, and I'm just smoothing down the sides. Now I close it and repeat that same process. What I'm doing right here is I'm using the corners of the blade, and I'm getting rid of any dark spots that 0 guard couldn't remove. You don't want to raise the guideline, so make sure that you're careful and that you're only getting certain dark spots. Here I have on the 1 guard with the lever fully open. So I initially cut the top down with the 1.5 guard. So this should blend right into it by me going with the grain. Basically what I'm doing, I'm trying to get the fade to lay down smooth on his head. I want everything to blend together. So still with the 1 guard on, I'm going against the grain with the lever fully open, but the clipper is flush to his head. I'm not digging into his skin. As you can see, I have the clipper flush. Now the lever is fully closed. And with this hair type, so he has a coarse hair texture. So I always tell people, coarse hair texture, it's a little bit tougher to blend than someone with a loose curl pattern or opposed to someone with straight hair. It takes a little bit more work to manipulate the hair how you want it. And once again, I'm smoothing everything down. The lever is fully open and I don't have any guard on the clipper. Comment below what you think of the video so far. So right here, I'm applying some foaming lotion. And this really helps to lay the hair down. Next, we're going to move on to the lineup. Remember, you want to find that balance between sharp and natural. Yes, you have to take off some hair, but don't go crazy. Well guys, this is how the cut turned out. If these steps in this video helped you, comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Comment what other videos you guys want to see, and I will see you all on the next video.